Good afternoon, this is Todd from NC Solar Electric. Today I'm going to show you how to wire up your solar panels for Hoymiles inverters. Let's get into it. All we need for this is our putting in 2 inverters, one for each panel. I've already pre-made this one. You can see here it has the end cap, so it's the last one. It's finger safe. This is a port cap, which I'll take off later once I'm ready to hook up the inverter. This keeps it clean and out of the mud. Then I have this extra piece of wire that also comes from Hoymiles with the connectors. It's their wire. It's a 10-3 tray cable type TCER, which means it's rated for exposed run outdoor wiring. Then you need this tool. It's a little flat plate with like a little table. And you see the 4 holes in the back here. You just line that up and push. And give it a little tug, that's all. And you have the connector, the end cap. Port cap, I should say. All right, and you see inside here, you've got black, green, red. So over here, you also want black, green, red. Take this table that we've already got made up here. You line it up with green in the middle. The cap comes off. And a little watertight fitting. Slip the wires through. You could have slipped them on the other side too, but you know, this works. Get on there. Now, line it up. You have the black, green, red the same. Put it through, making sure all 3 slip into the slots all the way. See, now they're all the way in. All the way in. Okay. Get your narrow Phillips screwdriver and crank them up. They are plastic, and these little thin tabs, I've broken one, so don't break them off. Give it a pull test. Nothing's coming out. Everything's tight. One thing interesting about Hoymiles inverters is it's got the ground wire in here that grounds to the inverters. And if you've got a good bonded connection between the inverter and the panel, that's the only ground wire you need for the whole array. You see, you got the 3 holes here, the 3 pins here. Line them up. Line up the holes. Just snap it together. That's it. All done. This is your other tool for removing the port cap later. Just push it in there like that, lift, comes off. Same thing once you hook up the inverter to it, the inverter comes off the same way. So I'm gonna keep those on there, keep the dirt out until I'm ready. Everything's clean. So then you also got to put the cap for the end. Tight. There you go. Oh. All right, now, normally this end you would connect to your AC disconnect switch or a junction box and then extend this over to your AC disconnect switch by your panel, by your main panel. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this Hubble 39A W47 watertight L630P plug on the end of this cord, which is going to stay right here. And then I have the extension cord over there, which I'll put the other half of this waterproof L630R receptacle And then when I get permission to operate, all I have to do is plug it in. We're done. That's it. All set. I can choose to add these inverters to my Hoymiles data transfer unit, DTU. Don't have to. DTU is not required to make it work, and in North Carolina there's no special requirement for the grid profiles. In California you would have to set the grid profiles, so you need a DTU, or you need someone like me who can. Anyway, let's put the plug on. There you go. Gotta have a picture. Apparently it's this part first, and this. That's gonna snap in there. It makes a nice watertight seal. Right, so then with Powerfield PowerRacks, Hoymiles inverters, it's really simple. You just lay the cable in the groove here. That's it. Just lay it there, like that, and then hang your panels. That's NC Solar Electric at the Solar Power DIY Helpdesk YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you need any parts, designs, engineering support, tech support, just give me a call, toll free, 877-58-SOLAR. All right? It's Todd. Have a great day. Bye-bye.